When it comes to tackling massive stumps, these heavy-duty machines get the job done. So, from powerful excavators to lightning-fast chainsaws, this video highlights the equipment built for both strength and precision. And it's not just about destruction, it's a display of engineering at its finest. Get ready to witness 35 amazing chainsaw machines and excavators removing stumps. So let's dive in. Back in the day, chainsaw machines took working at top speed to a whole new level. The tree fell immediately with the fastest chainsaw technique, setting the stage for the next incredible feat. This machine beast tore through the stubborn stump like a hot knife through butter, turning it into dust in seconds. This powerful machine tore through the logs like a hot knife through butter, leaving nothing but splintered remains behind. The massive stump sat there, deeply rooted like it had no intention of leaving. But then, the once immovable stump was finally being removed. The saw roared to life as the sun set, effortlessly slicing through stubborn wood, proving no tree stood a chance. With a firm grip, he revved up the chainsaw, its growl cutting through the quiet forest. Each slice tore through the trunk, paving the way for the next big cut. He made a precise cut at the tree's base, sending sawdust flying as the massive trunk leaned over like it had just given up on life. Once the tree was down, he sliced through the thick wood, spraying sawdust everywhere. Then, he expertly chopped it into logs. Watch this! The smoke was already rising as this man powered through the trunk, turning the tree into a sizzling spectacle. Sparks flew, and the wood smoldered, but he kept cutting like it was just another day. When he was done, the tree had fallen, and there it was, the fire, already raging, as if the forest had its dramatic finale planned all along. He first made a clean back cut, ensuring the tree leaned in the right direction. Then he placed the chainsaw deep into the trunk, creating space for a precise wedge. Let's be honest, stumps never had a chance. This beast of a machine shredded logs like a wood chipper on steroids. Then it cleaned up so well that even a beaver would be jealous. What if we let giant metal beavers handle the logging? And thus, this aggressive wood-eating monster was born. Stay tuned for more lumber-munching madness. Take a look at this. Look at this stubborn tree resisting as it's being cut down. This machine worked like a charm, ripping out tree stumps and roots faster than anyone could say, "Maybe we should do this by hand." With zero hesitation, this guy worked that chainsaw like an action hero on a mission. Fast, intense, and straight to the point. That tree, it made a dramatic Hollywood-style exit. The chainsaw ripped through the giant tree in seconds, bringing it crashing down instantly. Look at this guy and his machine. They gave those logs a reality check they never saw coming. The giant tree saw could effortlessly slice through wood, cutting through logs with precision. It was definitely the ultimate tool for handling even the toughest tasks. Here it went, cutting through with the saw. As the exhibitor swiftly removed the log, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. This unstoppable machine chewed through the stump like a snack, spitting out sawdust at record speed. Pure destruction with a touch of elegance. Have you ever seen a machine turn a stump into dust? This wild contraption chewed through it like a grand meal, leaving the ground in shock and the wood in absolute defeat. This big tree was destroyed in a blink of an eye by an unstoppable power. Check out this enormous stump. It was very difficult to remove it, but with all the effort, this turned into a monstrous stump removal operation. Meet the mighty stump that refused to budge until this yellow beast rolled in, ready to teach it a lesson. After a fierce battle, the stubborn stump finally surrenders, getting a first-class lift to the land of lost roots. The operator barely broke a sweat, but the sheer size of this massive root base made extraction an almost impossible challenge. The stump was there, standing firm, but then, with a sudden boom, it vanished in the very next moment. Take a look at this. This wasn't just a chainsaw, it was a tree's worst nightmare. When a tree refuses to leave, the excavator insists on nature's most brutal breakup. Once a tangled mess of roots, it became a smooth path ready for what came next. That saw machine moved like lightning, slicing through the thick bark like it was butter. Next, with one final deep crack, the stump finally surrendered and lifted out of the ground. With each pull, the stump groaned, its roots stretching and snapping under pressure, but it refused to let go entirely. But after enough pressure, one of the thickest roots finally snapped out. No more struggle with axes. This machine could do the job in a flash. Have you ever seen a tree surrender? Watch closely as this machine made them give up instantly. Once that seemed impossible, it was accomplished in mere moments. These machines just proved why they're the ultimate stump-destroying powerhouses. From massive digs to incredible lifting power, they make even the most complex tasks look effortless. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love watching extreme machinery in action, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping videos. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.